In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a sleek and user-friendly mobile login page from scratch. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refine your design skills, this step-by-step guide will help you create a professional-looking login interface. Let's dive right in. First, we need to create a new frame that reflects the typical dimensions of a mobile login page. A common size to work with is 375 by 812 pixels, which is standard for most smartphones. This will give you a realistic canvas to develop your design, ensuring that what you create looks great on actual devices. Next, we'll add the essential text fields, one for the username or email, and another for the password. To do this, use rectangles to define where these input fields will be, and follow up by labeling them accordingly. For example, you can add a small text label above each rectangle that clearly identifies what information the user should enter, like email and password. This not only helps guide the user, but also keeps your design neat and intuitive. Moving on to the buttons, let's create a login button and another option for forgot password. Design these with clear styles so they stand out on the page. Choose a color that aligns with your brand and make sure the text is easily readable against the button background. The login button should be prominent to guide users smoothly through the login process, while the forgot password button should be noticeable but doesn't need the same emphasis. Now it's time to add some branding elements. This can include logos, perhaps in the top section, or a background image that complements your overall theme. These elements help reinforce your brand identity and make the page more visually appealing. Just remember to keep everything in harmony. Your design should be engaging, but not overwhelming. For the next step, we'll use auto layout to ensure consistent spacing and alignment across all elements. This feature is incredibly helpful as it automatically adjusts the spacing when you modify the design. It maintains a clean, professional appearance by ensuring everything is perfectly lined up and evenly spaced. Finally, if you want to go the extra mile, you can prototype interactions such as button clicks or form submissions. This means adding interactive elements so that users can see how the buttons behave when clicked and simulate the navigation and overall experience they would have on a real app. Prototyping is a great way to validate your design's functionality and provide a more dynamic presentation. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted mobile login page. By following these steps, you're not just creating a design, you're crafting an experience that users will find intuitive and visually pleasant. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough guides you to create something amazing.